Welcome back. In today's fast-paced, ever-evolving world, the concept of upskilling has become more than a buzzword. It's a necessity. Whether you are seeking employment, currently employed, or a young individual stepping into the professional realm, upskilling is the bridge that connects your current abilities to future opportunities. This article delves into why upskilling is not just beneficial but essential for career growth, adaptability, and staying relevant in a competitive job market. The importance of upskilling is manifold and spans across various aspects, keeping pace with technological advancements. As technology evolves at an unprecedented rate, staying updated with the latest trends and skills is crucial. Upskilling ensures that individuals are not left behind in a tech-driven world. Enhancing employability. For those seeking employment, upskilling increases your marketability. It demonstrates a commitment to self-improvement and a proactive approach to learning, making you a more attractive candidate to potential employers. Career advancement. For the employed, upskilling opens doors to higher positions and better job prospects. It's about adding value to your current role and preparing for future opportunities within or outside your current organization. Adaptability in a changing job market. The job market is constantly changing. What's relevant today might become obsolete tomorrow. Upskilling ensures that you remain adaptable and versatile, ready to meet the demands of new job roles and industries. Personal growth. Beyond professional development, upskilling contributes to personal growth. It boosts confidence, fosters a growth mindset, and cultivates a culture of continuous learning. Economic benefits. On a larger scale, a workforce that continuously upskills contributes to economic growth. It leads to innovation, increased productivity, and ultimately, a more robust economy. Closing the skills gap. For the youth, upskilling is a pathway to bridge the gap between academic knowledge and industry requirements, making them job-ready from the get-go. Conclusion. Upskilling is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity in today's dynamic world. It's about being proactive, staying relevant, and continuously pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve. As we conclude this exploration of the importance of upskilling, I encourage you to embrace lifelong learning as your mantra for professional and personal success. If this article resonated with you or sparked a desire to invest in your personal growth, please like, share, and comment below. Your engagement helps us reach and inspire more individuals like you. For more insights and resources on upskilling, don't forget to check the description below. Let's embark on this journey of continuous learning and growth together. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your upskilling journey today.